Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kali ini saya akan memberikan contoh soal ujian madrasah bahasa Inggris tingkat madrasah aliyah tahun 2023. Please answer all questions correctly. The following text is for questions number 1 until 2. Jadi teks berikut ini untuk pertanyaan nomor 1 dan 2. Balai Kambang. Balai Kambang is a small village in the southern coast of East Java. Balai Kambang adalah desa kecil di bagian selatan Jawa Timur, 70 kilometers from Malang town and 2 hours drive to south. 7 km dari kota Malang dan 2 jam mengendarai ke selatan. It is well known. Ini diketahui for its long, beautiful, white sandy. Diketahui memiliki pasir putih dan cantik, as well as the similarity, seperti memiliki kesamaan of its temple, di menara to the one of the Tanah Lot in Bali, seperti di Tanah Lot in Bali. In Balai Kambang, di Balai Kambang, there are 3 small rocky island. Ada 3 pulau kecil, namely Ismaya Island, Pulau Ismaya, Wisanggeni Island, Pulau Wisanggeni, and Anoman Island, dan Pulau Anoman. Those names are taken from wayang. Nama itu diambil dari wayang, figures Java traditional puppets. Jadi figuran tradisional Jawa. These islands are surrounded by Indonesian ocean with huge wave frighten most overseas cruisers. Soal nomor 1. What makes Balai Kambang famous is it? Apa yang membuat Balai Kambang terkenal? A. Small rocky island. B. Long beautiful beach. C. Huge waves of ocean. D. Overseas cruisers. E. Java traditional puppets. Jawabannya adalah B. Long beautiful beach. Keindahan pantai yang panjang. Soal nomor 2. What is the main idea of the second paragraph? Apa ide utama dari paragraf kedua? A. Huge waves frighten many overseas cruisers. B. Names of rocky islands are taken from wayang figures. C. The rocky islands are in the middle of the sea. D. There are 3 rocky islands in Balai Kambang. E. The rocky islands are surrounded by Indonesian Ocean. Jawabannya adalah D. There are 3 rocky islands in Balai Kambang. Jadi main idenya adalah ada 3 pulau di Balai Kambang. Dharma, you look so happy, Ratna. Kamu terlihat begitu senang. Ratna, yes, you know that I was just successful in making honey donut cakes. Kamu tahu bahwa saya sukses membuat kue donat. Can I try them? Bisakah saya mencobanya? Of course. Here they are. Ini. Wow, they look very beautiful. The texture is very soft and the taste is very delicious. Teksturnya sangat lembut dan rasanya sangat lezat. You are such a talented cake maker. Kamu sangat berbakat dalam membuat kue. Congratulations all the way. Selamat. Ratna, thanks for always supporting me. Terima kasih selalu mendukungku. The underlined sentence expresses garis bawah menyatakan you are such a talented cake maker. A. Gratitude. B. Condolence. C. Sympathy. D. Congratulation. E. Compliment. Jawabannya adalah compliment. Compliment itu artinya pujian. Soal nomor 4. Look, the sun is shiny and the breeze blows tenderly. The world is very beautiful. Lihat, matahari bersinar dan dunia sangat indah. Steffi, so what then? Apa berikutnya? Budi, don't you want to go out, Steph? Apakah kamu tidak mau pergi? Yes, I'm going to go to the beach with my family at 9 o'clock. Saya akan pergi ke pantai dengan keluargaku pada jam 9. Really? Can I join you? Bisakah saya ikut denganmu? Why not? Kenapa tidak? The underlined sentence shows that Steffi, kata yang bergaris bawah menunjukkan bahwa Steffi A. plans to go out with her family, B. is lazy to go out, C. is crazy about the beach, D. doesn't have any plans to go out, E. has planned to go out with Budi. Jawabannya adalah A. plans to go out with her family, berencana untuk keluar dengan keluarganya. The following announcement is for question number 5 until 6. Pengumuman ini untuk pertanyaan soal nomor 5 sampai 6. Advanced Communication Systems of San Francisco, California won contract from the Space and Naval Warfare Systems Group, Washington, D.C. For the Technical and Management Support Service, the 3-month contract will begin at the end of June. Soal nomor 5. Where is the contractor located? It's A. in Washington, D.C., B. at sea, C. in San Francisco, California, D. in space, E. in naval. Jawabannya adalah C. in San Francisco, California. Soal nomor 6. When will the contract end? It's on. Kapan kontraknya berakhir? A. Mei, B. September, C. June, D. July, E. November. Jawabannya adalah B. September. The following text is for question number 7 until 10. A farmer came across a bird with a broken wing. He picked it up. Petani datang melewati burung dengan sayap yang patah. He picked it up. Dia menjemputnya. Took it home and looked after it lovingly. Membawanya ke rumah dan melihat setelah dengan sangat mencintainya, even though his wife complained bitterly about his wasting too much time on the creature. Meskipun istrinya komplain dan menghabiskan banyak waktu. After some time, the wingman did, and because the bird didn't want the farmer to have keep on arguing with his wife all the time, karena burung tidak ingin petani itu silang pendapat dengan istrinya setiap waktu, it decided to go back to its nest. Jadi dia memutuskan untuk pergi. When the farmer discovered that the bird was gone, ketika petani itu melihat bahwa burungnya pergi, he was so upset that he went out to look for it. Dia mencarinya. Eventually, he found it again. Dia menemukannya lagi and was greeted happily. Dan sangat senang by the whole family of the bird. Bersama keluarga burung as a sign of their thanks for his care and attention. Dan mereka mengucapkan terima kasih atas perhatiannya. The bird gave him a little box. Burung memberikannya box kecil and told him not to open it until he got home. Dan menceritakan kepadanya untuk tidak membukanya sampai ke rumah. To his surprise, sangat terkejut, the farmer found the box full of precious stones. Petani menemukan box itu jatuh ke tanah. When his wife saw them, ketika istri melihatnya, she decided that she too deserved a reward. Dia melihat bahwa mendapatkan penghargaan, and she went to see the bird. Dan dia pergi melihat burung. The bird gave her a little casket. Burung itu memberikannya, but this one was full of devils. Dan memberikannya hantu. The devils jumped on her as soon as she opened the casket and chased her away. Dan melompat secepat dia membukanya. Left alone, the farmer went to live near his friend the bird. Petani pergi untuk tinggal bersama burung. There he built a hut of perfume wood. Dia membuat parfum dari kayu, and the bird decorated it with flowers of every kind. Dan burung mendekorasinya dengan bunga dan sebagainya. Soal nomor 7, which one of the following statements do you agree with? A. The farmer chased his wife away. B. The farmer lived happily with his wife. C. The farmer's wife took care of the bird. D. The bird was very thankful to the farmer. E. The farmer's wife was a very kind woman. Jawabannya adalah D. The bird was very thankful to the farmer. Soal nomor 8. The farmer's new hut was A. Well furnished. B. Built by the birds. C. A gift from the birds. D. Decorated luxuriously. E. Built of perfume wood. Jawabannya adalah E. Built of perfume wood. Dia membangun parfum dari kayu. Soal nomor 9. What do we learn from the text? Apa yang kita pelajari dari teks di atas? A. A good deed deserves a reward. B. A gift shows a kindness. C. Suffering brings happiness. D. Arguing makes you distressed. E. Having no heart makes you isolated. Jawabannya adalah A. A good deed deserves a reward. Soal nomor 10. Paragraph 3 mainly tell us about A. The bird left the farmer. B. The farmer was so angry and went out to find the bird. C. The bird welcomed the farmers. D. The farmer was happy having got a box of precious stones. E. The farmer got a little casket from the birds. Jawabannya adalah C. The birds welcome to the farmer. Burung itu mengucapkan selamat datang kepada petani. The following text is for questions number 11 until 13. Bali, 5 November 2017. Dear Amina, thanks for your letter. Terima kasih untuk suratmu. Sorry for I haven't written you for so long. Saya minta maaf tidak bisa menuliskannya terlalu panjang. I was busy all this time. Saya sibuk setiap waktu. Well, I'm very glad that you have passed all the exam. Kamu tahu kamu sudah selesai ujian. Congratulations, selamat. My holiday is over. Liburanku sudah selesai. I spent my holiday very well. Saya menghabiskan liburanku sangat baik. I went out with my friends. Saya akan pergi bersama dengan teman-teman. Read a lot of. Baca books, buku, watch TV, nonton TV, and play computer games. Dan bermain game komputer. I spent few weeks in a summer cottage with my grandparents. Saya menghabiskan waktu bersama kakekku. I help my granny with the garden. Saya membantu nenek di kebun, plants, menanam, and gather fruits and vegetables. Also, I fish with my grandfather. Dan juga memancing bersama kakekku. I enjoy floating by boat, swimming in the and helping my grandparents, dan membantu kakekku. During my summer holiday, I meet many friends and read a lot of useful things. Now I feel ready to get back to school. Saya senang kembali ke sekolah. I'm happy to meet my friends and teacher. Dan senang bertemu teman-teman dan guru. What about you? How did you spend your holiday? Apakah kamu habiskan waktumu untuk liburan? Did you like it? Apakah kamu seperti itu? Sorry, I have to go. Saya harus pergi. I must help my mom. Saya harus membantu ibuku. Don't forget to reply my letter. Jangan lupa membalas suratku. Best wishes, Karina. Besar harapan, Karina. Soal nomor 11. A. Boring. B. Interesting. C. Dull. D. Tiring. E. Uninspiring. Jawabannya adalah B. Interesting. Soal nomor 12. A. Fish pond. B. Cave. C. Forest. D. River. E. Kitchen. Jawabannya adalah D. River. Soal nomor 13. A. Last. B. Old. C. New. D. Childhood. E. Ancient. Jawabannya adalah C. New. Soal nomor 14. Diana, my bicycle is broken again. Sepedaku patah lagi. I must go on foot to school. Saya harus berjalan kaki ke sekolah tomorrow, besok. I'm sorry to hear that. Saya minta maaf karena itu. Thank you very much, David. Terima kasih, David. You are my best friend always. Kamu adalah teman terbaikku. A. You can use mine. I'm going to use it tomorrow. B. It's better to go on foot. You will be healthier. C. You can use mine if you want to and take your bicycle to bicycle repair shop soon. D. Just bring your bicycle to the bicycle repair shop. E. Just sell that old bicycle and buy a new one. Jawabannya adalah C. You can use mine if you want to and take your bicycle to bicycle repair shop soon. Soal nomor 15. Dian, what do you think about the mushroom soup we have just had in the restaurant, Ra? Apa yang kamu pikirkan tentang sup mushroom yang sudah disajikan di restoran, Ra? Ara, I want to come back again to the restaurant. Saya akan kembali lagi ke restoran. A. According to me, the taste isn't really good through the look is very tempting. Menurutku, rasanya tidak enak. B. I think it's the worst soup I have ever had all my life. C. Frankly speaking, it's too salty for me. D. Honestly, the taste is not as good as I hope. E. In my opinion, the taste is good. The texture is soft and the look is very tempting. Jawabannya adalah E. In my opinion, the taste is good, the texture is soft, and the look is very tempting. The following text is for questions 16 until 17. To all students of MAN 1 Bandar Lampung. Foreign Language Club of MAN 1 Bandar Lampung would like to invite you to join the ASEAN Singing Competition. It will be held Lasahal, time March 14, 2020 at 7 o'clock till finish. You can register yourself in Foreign Language Club room from 1 until 13 March 2020 at school hours. Registration is free. Registrasinya gratis. Many interesting prizes are available for the first until second winners, such as cash money, certificates, and trophies. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us or you can come directly to Foreign Language Club room. Don't miss it. The Chief Stephanie. Soal nomor 16. Who will hold the competition? A. Foreign Language Club of MAN 1 Bandar Lampung will. B. All students of MAN 1 Bandar Lampung will. C. Some students of MAN 1 Bandar Lampung will. D. Stephanie will. E. The teachers of MAN 1 Bandar Lampung will. Jawabannya adalah A. Foreign Language Club of MAN 1 Bandar Lampung will. Soal nomor 17. Which one of the following statement is true according to the text? Kalimat yang mana yang benar menurut teks di atas? A. The club will conduct a speech contest. B. The registration will last for a week. C. Stephanie is not the leader of the club. D. More than 3 kinds of prizes are available for the winners. E. The event will be conducted in Masa Hall. Jawabannya adalah E. The event will be conducted in Masa Hall. The following text is for questions 18 until 20. Circus should not use animals. Sirkus tidak menggunakan hewan. Animals should not be used in circus. Hewan tidak harus digunakan di sirkus. The environment where they perform and their living conditions are usually inappropriate. Biasanya ketika mereka tampil, kondisi tinggal mereka inappropriate, tidak sesuai. Tigers, harimau, for example, untuk contoh, which naturally live in wilderness, must perform tricks on a narrow stage and spend their lifetime in a small cage. Besides, the living conditions of the circus animals are poor. They live in cramped conditions most of the time. They actually need more space to roam. They also don't have freedom to live with their own kinds. We should ban the use of animals in circus and their confinement there. Soal nomor 18. Why does the writer consider circus inappropriate place to live for animals? A. It resembles the animal's natural habitat. B. It is the place to get public amusement. C. It is the place where the animals are fortunate. D. It provides animals bad food. E. It causes animals ill condition. Jawabannya adalah C. It is the place where the animals are fortunate. Soal nomor 19. According to the text. A. Tigers are the most suitable animals to perform tricks. B. Tigers are the smartest animal. C. The highlights of the circus is on the animals. The animals receive ill treatment in a circus. E. The animals are the main performers in circus. Jawabannya adalah D. Animal receive ill treatment in a circus. Soal nomor 20. They live in a cramped condition most of their time. Paragraph 3. The underlined word is closest in meaning to. Cramped sama dengan kata A. Clean and neat. B. Small and crowded. C. Dirty and messy. D. Poor but large. E. Large and quiet. Jawabannya adalah B, small and crowded. Soal nomor 21, Steffi is drinking the gold milk. The passive form of the sentence. Kalimat pasifnya adalah A. The gold milk is drunk. B. The gold milk is being drunk. C. The gold milk was drunk. D. The gold milk is drinking. E. Steffi is being drunk. Jawabannya adalah B. The gold milk is being drunk. Soal nomor 22, he was frustrated. Dia frustasi. A. Because his failure in the examination. B. Due to his failure in the examination. C. Although his failure in the examination. D. However his failure in the examination. E. Because of his failure in the examination. Jawabannya adalah E. Because of his failure in the examination. The following text is for question 23 until 25. Snakes are reptiles, cold-blooded creatures. They belong to the same group as lizards, the skull group Squamata, but from a subgroup of their own species. Ular dan reptil, mereka memiliki kesamaan. Snakes have 2 legs. Ular memiliki 2 kaki, but a long time ago, dan dulu, they had claws to help them slither along. Snakes are not slimy, they are covered in scales which are just bumps on the skin. Their skin is hard and glossy to reduce friction as the snake slithers along the ground. Snakes often sunbathe on rocks in the warm weather. This is because snakes are cold-blooded. They need the sun warmth to heat their bodies up. Most snakes live in the country. Some types of snake live in trees. Some live in water, but most live on the ground, in deserted rabbit burrows, in thick tall grass, and in old logs. A snake's diet usually consists of frogs, lizards, mice, and other snakes. The anaconda can eat small crocodiles and even bears. Many snakes protect themselves with their fangs. Some snakes are protected by scaring their enemies away like the cobra. The flying snakes glide away from danger. Their ribs spread apart and the skin sketch out. This technique is just like the sugar gliders. Soal nomor 23, since the snakes are cold-blooded, they A. Require the sun warmth to heat their bodies. B. Like sucking the cool blood. C. Avoid sunbathing to their skins. D. Never sunbathe in the warm weather. E. Live on the ground in deserted burrows. Jawabannya adalah A. Require the sun warmth to heat their bodies. Soal nomor 24, we know from the text that snakes A. Didn't have claws. B. Don't like sunlight. C. Have no legs and claws. D. Use their claws to slither along the ground. E. Use their legs to climb the tree. Jawabannya adalah D. Use their claws to slither along the ground. Soal nomor 25. How do flying snakes protect themselves? A. They use their fangs to scare their enemies. B. They stretch out their skin. C. They fly away. D. They eat the other animals. E. They sunbathe on rocks. Jawabannya adalah C. They fly away. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa klik tombol like dan subscribe ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.